Now we'll go for the existential quantifier. So, unlike for all, for every, this kind of statements begin with some, there exists, or there is at least one. In universal, you have considered all the object, but in existential, you are considering some of the object or at least one object, and it is denoted as this symbol. This is called as there exists. So we'll see some example. There exists a man. So first thing is only it is asking for the man or the existence of man. So there exists is who is also the man. The next is some men are clever. So here first thing is there is already a man which is denoted as x, so some is used, that's why we have taken there exist. Then he is also a man and clever. Men are clever means man and clever, so this can be written as man and clever. Some numbers are rational. It means for some real numbers are rational. So what can be some real number? This can be denoted as there exists a x and they are itself a number and they are rational. So number and they are rational. So you can write it like this. Now comes to the negation part. Negation is like again I told you it will be negation of existential quantifier, or it can be for all. So always they are vice versa, as I've told you. We'll see the example, the same one. Not all graphs are connected. So normally what will be the plain sentence? Here you can see three different sentences. Not all graphs are connected, some graphs are not connected, and all graphs are connected. So for this one, all graphs are connected, what will be the like statement in the notation of using existential and universal quantifier? Here all graphs are there means it will be for all of x. So you can write it as for all of x, g of x tends to c of x. This is for all graphs are connected. Now not all graphs are connected. Not all graphs are connected in the sense negation of for all x, where g of x tends to c of x. Okay, then some graphs are not connected. And I told you that if you are writing not all graphs are connected, it means some graphs are connected, or you can say it as some graphs are not connected. But here what it is saying, some graphs are not connected. It is not saying that some graphs are connected. Some graphs means there exists a graph which is not connected. So how can you write it as there exists a graph which is there exists a graph which is a graph itself, but it is not connected. So not connected means negation of x, because x we have taken as this one, and it will be c of x. For c of x is for connection, so it will be negation of c of x, and this one is for graphs which are not connected. So you don't get confused with the writing and all. It can be like this and you can put it within the bracket also, that's not a problem. Then some cats are black. It means there exists some cat who are cat and who are black also. Okay, then we'll see some more example. Here you can see that I have already taken a predicate, that is p x of y, which compares x and y. So what is the relation between x and y? I have taken is x likes y. Now we'll see some statement how to write them using the notation of universal and existential quantifier. Somebody likes someone. So if it is given as somebody, then there exist will be there definitely. Somebody likes someone, it means two different person are there, one person is liking another person. So how many persons are there? Two. So you have to write there exist x and there exist y, where they have relation of liking each other. So somebody likes someone, it means two different person you have shown as there exist x, there exist y, and likes is shown as this relationship. Next, everybody likes everybody. So how can you write that everybody likes everybody? It means for all x, for all y, P of xy. Okay, then next is everybody likes someone. It means for all x there exists a y where P of xy. Then there exists someone liked by everybody. So some person are there who are liked by everybody. So you can write as there exists y for all x P of xy. Are you clear? So someone like someone means both are some, and then everybody likes everybody, both are all. Everybody likes someone and someone like everybody. So this is